So at Next Chapter, we get a lot of questions from potential customers like yourselves wondering, hey, what's different about Next Chapter compared to other additive companies? So one of the biggest things that we focus on is speaking your language. When we're able to speak your language, it cuts through all that hype in the additive manufacturing world. We focus on understanding what is your biggest needs. We ask you a lot of questions to really get down to what is the core of what you're trying to solve or what's the goal of your project. We then use data-driven decisions using things like simulation and analysis to really make those decisions on your behalf or together. And then another thing we add on top of that on the technical side is we use specific materials, and those materials are geared towards the right application. So for instance, in the application of tooling, we use actual tool steels. So things like H13 and 420 stainless, when we're working with the tooling engineers, we're speaking your language and saying, look, these are the right materials. Other additive companies are using things that are like a tool steel or comparable, but again, not exactly the same chemistry or maybe the same makeup that's going to reveal itself further into manufacturing or the production line. So we focus on also open architecture systems as well. So our 3D printing machines and our additive softwares, our open architecture means that we're able to fine-tune them to get the right results that we expect out of the most demanding additive manufacturing parts. This means in my 25 years of printing metal, the most critical area is getting those parameters right. If we don't, we're going to have defects, we're going to have issues in the build. It's not going to be to the level of what we expect that we're giving to you. So those are a few couple differentiators, but I think the most important thing that we look at is we're giving you a solution that's guaranteed that nobody else can touch. So for an example, in the tooling world, we have a faster cycle time or free guarantee. That means if you don't hit the cycle time that you expect through the analysis or what the analysis shows is what the potential savings is, and if you don't hit that using our solution, then it's no cost to you. The other key guarantee that we have is we have a 1,000,000 shot guarantee on all of our tooling, which is an industry standard. But when we see our tooling out there running 10, 20, and even 50 million cycles, we know that it is at least as good as billet, if not better, we've seen performing in replacement actions. So what this means is that when we provide a solution to you, we know it's going to be right, we guarantee it, and this gives you guys the reassurance that you're going to have to manufacture with confidence and focus on your next project. Thank you.